Hello everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'll be showing you guys how to make a tasty baked chicken recipe. If you're new here, welcome, and do not forget to subscribe if you enjoy my video. Okay family, let's begin. For my recipe today, I'm using whole chicken that I'm cutting in half. Make sure to remove the fats before cooking the chicken because they are not good for your health. To give a good flavor to our chicken, we need some seasoning such as black pepper, onion powder, complete seasoning, garlic powder, parsley, paprika, and salt. If you want a good taste, take your time to season your chicken. Be sure to leave the skin to season, okay? When I'm seasoned, I like to add a little olive oil because that makes the job easier. Now, I'm using a large skillet to bake our chicken. Before putting it in the oven for 50 minutes, I'm adding a few sprigs of dill, rosemary, and butter. Look at this, guys. After 15 minutes, our chicken is ready to eat. This recipe is very easy, juicy and delicious, guys. Try it and let me know. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up and share it with family and friends. See you in the next one. Ciao ciao.